Danielle, what are you playing with?
The track.
Oh, in the dirt?
No. And now he's going dirt up there so they can be grass. All the way up there.
Yes, he's putting dirt all the way up there so they can be grass.
No, Kiva, no.
Leave it. It's open. It's locked.
Go get the ball.
There's dirt on it? That's okay. Kick it. Again.
Take a picture of me.
I will soon. Here, you guys are both in the video now.
Look.
Yep.
Jump.
Oh, he said jump?
Yeah.
I jumped the ball.
Did you rotate the video in the middle?
Yeah. No, I didn't. I want to see what happens if it rotates, if I can flip it.
In God, Shachar and Moshe had a birthday.
Really? And what age did they turn?
Moshe turned 5.
Wow.
And Shachar turned 4.
She turned 4?
Yeah.
Like you and me.
You're like...
Look, Mommy,